Jairam Ramesh has slammed the BJP, claiming that now that Raghav Chadha and other MPs have joined the BJP, they will be free of all cases against them. Jairam Ramesh wrote, and I quote, "The BJP washing machine is back along with the Modi washing powder. Those who projected themselves as paragons of virtue, integrity and ideology stand brutally exposed." So now, viewers, this is of course the latest that we're getting you all of these updates since Raghav Chadha and the MPs joined the BJP yesterday. We're showing visuals of that yesterday's moment at the BJP office when the official announcement was made of Raghav Chadha joining the BJP. And now, of course, a lot of reactions, understandably and expectedly, are coming in from all sides. We're getting you all of those details on NewsX, and Anand Singh is joining me with more details. All right, I have Rumi Mishra joining me with more details. Rumi, what can you tell us about this reaction coming in from Jairam Ramesh?
Yes, Vaishali, well, a day after Raghav Chadha along with six other MPs from Aam Aadmi Party joined the Bharatiya Janata Party, the visuals are on the right side of the screens. We have Congress leader Jairam Ramesh's first ever reaction to this whole debacle. In fact, Jairam Ramesh has slammed the BJP and claimed that the BJP is a washing machine and Prime Minister Modi is a Modi washing powder. Those who projected themselves as paragons of virtue, integrity and ideology stand brutally exposed. And he's obviously talking about Raghav Chadha in this matter. This is of course after Aam Aadmi Party's claims that this is Operation Lotus conducted by the Bharatiya Janata Party. It's a whole political statement that was made from both sides, from Raghav Chadha claiming that this is an action that he has taken as a reaction to what Aam Aadmi Party did to him. They shut him up in his own party, and then Aam Aadmi Party said that Raghav was moving away from his main issues, the issues that were supposed to be taken in the parliament, and that Raghav was just moving after his other motives and catering to the BJP's demands. So yes, Vaishali, a lot of statements have been made, and now the Congress has also made an entry into this political debate. And this also comes in light of Punjab elections, of course. Remember, yes, that 27 is when Punjab is also going into elections. So all parties are now ensuring that some big statement has been made, and that Punjab is the center of focus in these cases. Yes.
Right.